Melissa did start off gentle. Little breeze, little drizzle. Like she a shy girl just alone enough to put her makeup on her face. But by the time she reached the warm sea belly, Melissa turned up in the place. Whap! Category 5. Like she find out somebody chat bad about her family. So she step off and attack the oppressor angrily. Me said the girl sweep through the Caribbean with swift breeze and blow everything down. Just like she did rush to catch the last coaster bus for town. Even though Jamaicans know how to take kinty kiba heartburn, a pure tears Melissa left with. No fun. After Gilbert, Loving Dear did sing. Water come in my room. Me sweep out some with the broom. But Melissa, she come with attitude. Her breeze a move like tornado. Me couldn't get a chance to hold her broom. Melissa come like Gilbert daughter we go find go study meteorology and come back with a degree of vengeance. But for real, me heart every Jamaican and anybody else will get it down. Life lasts, one mash up, family scatter like me zinc sheets in the hurricane breeze we a fly through town. So after Melissa batter we done, days later, why? Water start to rise up from underground in Manchester. Like the earth itself a ball out. You think we done? We just a come. No leptospirosis and dengue run pan the North Coast. Like them in a relief to catch people and boss. Me say every parish a fret. Darkness have winter torment. Roads crack, river brown, and mosquito behave like them elected for parliament. Still, Christmas a pull up round the corner. New Year a pull up right after. Catch the pre. When God did send Jonah go on Nineveh, him ball out loud like eagle upon Coronation Market stall. 40 days more and Nineveh shall be overthrown. The Ninevites them never hesitate. Immediately humble themselves. Fast, pray and ball out to God. Even the animals them did have to join the repentance parade. And the Bible say, and God saw their works, that they turned from their evil way, and God repented of the evil that he said that he would do unto them, and he did it not. Jamaica, we could take a page out of Nineveh book and write with story. We could turn away from anything when I give God glory. Step away from the Christmas without Christ mentality. Remember, say Jesus had the reason for the season in reality. For real, keep Christ in a Christmas. Make remember say Christmas is a theme birthday celebration. Make honor him across the nation. So Jamaica, rise up like morning sun after storm. Stand tall. Hold strong. Wipe your tears. Help your neighbor. Answer them call. Pray for the family still in pain. Make turn your heart back to God. He will strengthen us again. God bless Jamaica, the Caribbean, and every soul Melissa touch. Selah.